Well, I got something for you that I haven't done in a long time. I got a, well, let's see, a total vehicle detailer. It's like a cleaner, cleans and details. What else does it do here? It's hard to see. Let's bring her up here where I can see. It does glass too, paint and rims, cleans and details. It is a total vehicle detailer by Armor All. So I'm going to clean the interior of my Jeep Patriot here and see how well it goes. I haven't done one of these in months. It's been so cold in the winter. It's hard to get doing one of these cleaning products. So I'm going to give her a try and see how well this one works. So let me give her a spray down here. Ooh. So let's see how well she works. I got my trusty rag here. Oh, it's got a very pleasant smell. That's a very I don't know what kind of smell that is, but it's kind of nice. Wow, I like that smell. It smells kind of like a pineapple-y kind of smell, I'm guessing. I gotta move my seat up. I can't reach the front. There we go. Let's get up to the front here. I won't get her. I'm gonna clean the outside of this window here too. It's been a long time since I did one of these, so I'm a little rusty, I think, at this. I hope I'm not too rusty. Let's give her a spray in here. I used to clean my vehicles all the time, but this winter, all I've been driving is pretty well the Jeep Patriot here. So, you know, Jeep Patriot or the wife's Jeep Wrangler. I drive that when it's really terrible winter out. This winter's been pretty good, but I do like the smell of this stuff. I'm gonna have to look on the bottle and see what type of smell this is. I gotta admit, it is super pleasant. Wow. I'm not sure if I can do it justice and say what kind of smell it is. Let me give you a pause. So here's the instructions here, if we can get this thing to focus. Maybe I'll focus it in on number 1. Yeah, that does a much better job. So it says here, Armor All Ultra Shine Total Vehicle Detailer is an effective formula that allows you to clean and detail your entire vehicle from bumper to bumper, inside and out, in between washes. There's small print here. Safe on coated factory and aftermarket rims. Do not use on uncoated or polished aluminum, matte or painted rims. Okay, that's for sure. Attention, use only as directed. First test, test. Shake well. I did shake it up before I did use it. Work on cool surfaces and small sections at a time. Spray total vehicle detailer directly on the surface or dry cloth. Yes. Above the glass. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's see. Contains 0.5% phosphorus by weight. Does not say what the smell is. There's a date code here, if you can see it. But does it say anywhere here? No, I don't think it does. But I'm sure it smells kind of like a pineapple-y. Pineapple, kind of different type of fruit smell, and I kind of like it. So, not to be saying anything, it does smell nice, I gotta admit. Let's get some stuff here, and let's see what I can get this all cleaned up. It's so dusty in here and dirty from just use. So Yeah, it's been such a long time since I did one of these. And I can tell you, I did a ton of these last year, and I didn't, it's kind of what I was doing. It got me through to being on YouTube here, so it helped. It helped a lot by doing these product reviews. So I kind of want to keep up and do some of them because that's what helped me out in the long run here. So, down here, clean as it's going to get on this side. Let me finish up with it, and I'll get back to you when I get the whole vehicle done, and then maybe we'll test it on the paint on the outside. Well, overall, she cleans up really nice. It's not too shiny. It's got a nice finish. I think it does a great job. And like I said, it's got a really nice smell to it. A nice kind of, it's hard to say. It's got some sort of fruit scent to it. I kind of like it. So I'm not really sure what type of scent it is, but it's very pleasant. At least I'm enjoying it. It did a great job. I'm gonna take her outside. It's really windy outside today, so it's really hard to do this outside. But I want to see how well it would clean tire and some of and a bit of the hood, since it is a total vehicle detailer. So there we go. You can see my hood. I got water spots on it. I washed her today. Give her a few sprays here on this side. Give her a nice rubbing in here. See how well it works. Should dry pretty quick. It's nice and windy out today. And we'll let that dry. We'll take a look at it compared to where I didn't spray it. We'll let that dry, and I'm going to come back here. This tire looks pretty dirty, so give her a good spray on there. Let's see how well it does here. I think I'm just supposed to wipe her off. I'm not sure. Ooh, taking off lots of crud, I'll tell you that. We'll just let that dry, and we'll go back and take a look at the hood. You can see, if you can see, compared to where there's spots and everything, that does look pretty good. I gotta admit. Let me get her in there a little closer. So hopefully you can see that. Gives it a nice shine. I think I'm gonna do the rest of the hood. It's such a nice shine to it. Yeah, do the rest of the hood, wiping her down in this stuff. So, well, there. And there we go. Let's go back and look at this tire. Actually, yeah. The tire looks fine enough, I guess. I wouldn't use it too much on tires anyways. But overall, this product seems to work pretty good from Armorall. And, yeah, nice product. Cleans these surfaces pretty nice. So, yeah, it's worth a buy. Oh, yeah, by the way, I think I wrote down on here, cost $11.99 for this bottle at Canadian Tire. Thanks for watching.